Hey, it's Chance and I'm back. Check it out. Black Rifle Company energy drink, Ranger Berry. Doesn't really say what the flavor is. It's zero sugar and it's veteran founded. You know, the more you know. It smells kind of a blueberry, raspberry kind of smell, so I'm assuming it's a blue raspberry. But we're gonna find out. That is very tart. Definitely it's definitely blue raspberry. But energy drinks. Now, I hate to say this, but this isn't as good as a Rip It. You know, fucking Dollar Tree Rip Its are the shit. I drink those all fucking day. It's pretty good. Fucking, it just really depends. I like this. It's a little light on the sweet. And when I'm drinking an energy drink, I kind of expect at least a little more circulose. Come on, guys, I get it. Zero sugar. But, oh my god. Yeah, no, this is good. You know, it's I'm an energy drink fiend. Anybody who knows me can tell you. Here's my girlfriend to tell you.
Oh, you motherfucker, go away.
Love you, baby.
I'm gonna kill you. You better edit that out.
That's staying in.
No.
Yep.
No.
I love you. But no, this is pretty good. You telling Sam? Telling Sam?
Yeah. That's a violation of my rights, by the way. I'm gonna sue you.
Love you too, baby.
Fuck you.
Later.
Nah.
I love you. Anyways, what would I rate this? Fuck it, I'm gonna give it a 6. No, this is a 5. It's pretty average for an energy drink. I'm not gonna hype it up too much, but it is good. I like blue raspberry. Lots of people like blue raspberry, otherwise it wouldn't still be a major flavor profile.